did you take my phone? Who do you think you are?
I thought...
Yeah, I thought so.
Yeah, you thief. You don't want to mess with our people. Yeah, we're no ordinary girls.
Now, why did you take my phone?
Well, what happened was when I grew up, my mum died. But before she did that, she brought me a little bow and put it in my hair. But when she had died, she told me to try and look after myself. I didn't have anywhere to live, anywhere to stay. So I had to steal and take things. When I saw your phone, I thought, oh, well, I think I should take that because I need a lot of stuff. That was the first thing I saw. I didn't know what I would need to use it for. So
let me introduce myself. I'm Roxy, the leader of the pack.
Definitely, you can say this. I'm more responsible than that person over there. I'm Sky, the cheeky one.
And this is our pack, the wolves. This is our den. We live under a cinema and we love watching movies at night. And we love it. Isn't it beautiful?
Yeah, be careful. It's right there.
What? I've never seen one of these.
No. What are they?
It's not filming. What's this? I don't understand it.
Oh.
We're gonna watch a movie on it. There's a giant.
Interesting.
That was
That's
very
rather
interesting.
sweet, so sweet. I don't know. What happened? Well, my parents, they weren't exactly nice to me. They sent me to a cage, and I had 6 other brothers, and my parents. So my family, they didn't want me. Why? I have no idea. They just wanted a boy more.
When I was a kid, my parents were rich and famous, but they didn't love me. And then they sent me to a fancy boarding school for girls. And then I finally escaped. So that's my past. Then as soon as they came home, I was going to boarding school. Don't know how, didn't even pack. They just said, close by.
Oh, that must be really sad for you to have just been moved. You must have been really happy when you met Roxy and Sky.
Yeah.
That must be really nice.
Okay. I'm sorry, but this bow has to go. It's not really our style, but I have a compromise. Bye. And into this. You're now a part of our pack, so you're gonna need the fur.
Ooh, fancy.
And now you're a part of the wolves.
In the toilet.
She's still alive!
Oh no, I'll do CPR on her. Are you okay? What happened?
How are you?
I don't know what happened. The thing I remember is I was sleeping and then I needed the toilet, so I got up and went to the toilet. What was it that got you? Attacked you? It was really slim and it had 2 of these. We probably need to move to a safer place.
Yeah. I like this place though. I'm sorry, we have to. We're under attack.
We're under attack. We can't move. Maybe we're the next victims.
Guys, get up. We need to find a new place to live.
A new place to stay?
Like a den or something.
Yeah, we need to find a new den. It's unsafe in the other one.
Yeah. And we're never going back there.
Let's look around this place. Look how big it is. I like the curly wheel stuff.
It's so cool.
That's our new home! Look! It's awesome!
This is our home for tonight. But we're going to Paris tomorrow. Let's have all the coffee like
Paris! Let's have
a coffee job.
Lisa, we can maybe like touch the buildings there,
like the Eiffel Tower and everything. We can even climb it.
We can we can visit artists.
And we can work in a coffee shop.
And a French bread.
I'm not no smarty pants, but did you know
The Eiffel Tower lights up at night when it's fireworks night.
Can we see it?
Wait, it's not fireworks night until next year.